If you stack the missiles, they scale in damage. And then the hit that procs the missile, the missile is dependent on the hit's base damage. So I did a lot of damage, and then we got 24. So yeah. Yeah, missile is like the best green in the game. Over ukulele. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how the void one is good of both. The missile and the utility.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm scared.
I'm ready.
Are you sure? What is he? Hey, nerd.
I got a missile. Wait, incoming damage? Oh! Okay! Yeah!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, don't get hit. If he gets a missile... Oh wait, we got really nice.
He took all my crits.
Yeah, we'll just try to get him back. Don't get hit.
Oh, I got all my crit back.
Oh, okay. I'm more worried about the missiles though.
I'm not scared of me, no missile.
I got the back. It's 20, it will one-shot you. Oh yeah, I really nice.
Oh my god.
There we go.
That was it?
Yeah.
Hey, nerd. Suck my nuts.
It's not a, yeah, we gotta go, quick, you come through here. We gotta go to the ship. Okay, we got the bad one.
Nah, we have like 3 minutes.
It takes a minute to charge.
What's up?
You have to charge the ship when you get them. It takes a minute.
Oh yeah,
So
it's like tower defense.
Yeah, we'll still be fine, but you know, kind of get close.
I mean, I'm like, knowing how fast I am, you know.
Oh yeah, I mean you start charging it before I get there, so I just need to do that at the end. But yeah, so Mithrix is kind of easy when you one-shot two of his phases.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, the fucking damage you just...
The missile, yeah. It was a 15,000 base hit, and I think it's 40, maybe 40%. No, 40,000% of what your base hit is what the missile does. I can check actually when the run's over. You can check your most damage in one hit.
Jesus Christ, it's lagging my PC somehow.
Well, this.
Yeah, there's just so many projectiles.
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, that's fine. We can,
oh, those guys are finally starting to explode.
Oh, there's a 27k hit.
Oh my fucking god.
84k. Oh, there's another missile. Oh, it wasn't even that much. Okay. 84k.
And... nice.
There we go.
Got the captain.
Yep, the captain. Do you want to watch this?
Of course. I never saw this cutscene.
Yeah. We can watch it. Yep.
Oh, we got eaten by the void.
Yeah. And then that's it.
GG.
Yeah, it's pretty good run.
How it feels to get carried.
You didn't get carried. You had a broken run.
I did have like some insane.
And then I just managed to get 25 missiles.
Dude, that 3D machine there was so fucking insane.
Yeah, we can skip the credits if you just click.
Oh yeah, the credits.
Yeah. So yeah, my most damage dealt in one shot, 297,000.
Whoa.
Yeah.
227,000. That's insane.
It's a good one. That's what happens when you get 3 crit printers and an ETG printer.
Yeah. Minion damage dealt. I was after those minions, dude. 44k.
Yeah, I was not.
Hey, we didn't die too. That was a sweet
Yeah,
run.
yeah, no one died. It was a good run.
Yeah, this was fun as
We
fuck.
got the
my God, I
captain.
dude, this guy looks so fucking cool. We like.
Yeah, I like him. I'm a fan.
Wait, I know Mythix can steal the fucking defensive microbots and like he's fucking insane with them.
Oh, probably, yeah. The defensive microbots are just pretty insane in general.
Yeah. Fire blast of Palesta deal blah blah blah. Charging attack narrows, shocking, fire fast taser. I saw like people talking about how you can just one tap him. Mythix. With the captain, like in one of the phases, you just grab the orbital probe as it spawns. And then
oh yeah, that's the other one. But yeah.
Partially shock all enemies, immobilizing them, heal nearby all allies. This guy looks fucking awesome.
He's fun. There's better beacons and there's a better airstrike though. Oh yeah, wait. Oh no, you didn't get the skin. We went on the difficulty.
You have the wait.
What?
As commander, beat the game or obliterate. Oh, it's
yeah, Monty. It's the next one. Yeah. Yep. We could try to get the obliterate one.
Sure. Let me see if Ben is.
Yeah. Find Ben.
Stunning request up to 3 orbital probes from the US if safe travels, each probe dealing 1,000 damage. Then request a permanent supply beacon can only be requested twice per stage. Per stage? Oh. It's like a free item or like a purchase thing.
What do you mean? The supply beacon? No, the beacons are like the shocking and healing.
Oh, I thought
you
it was
can only
the
get
item thing.
1 per stage of each.
Okay.
Obliterating on captain is a good one actually because you get a challenge for 10 different environments in a single run. That's one of them.
As captain, repair and recruit a TC-280 prototype.
It's the big drone on that snowy map.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Is that escaped planetarium? Oh, okay. I mean that's not that bad. How have I not done the teleporter 5 times on scan? That's TV. And yeah, the bandit knife alternate one was the last achievement I had in the game.
As a bandit, kill a monster with 10 stacks. That looks like kind of I was looking at it and like that looks hard.
It was. But
you have to find a boss that's like tanky enough to take all of that
20 stacks, yeah. It helps
like, that's like what, 20,000% base damage?
Yeah. I think I got it on a grandparent.
Makes sense. Those guys have like a bunch of HP.
Yeah.
One of my friends is like obsessed with getting this guy to play because he likes the trail. I think I'm gonna really like the captain.
The captain's really good. I'm a big Artificer fan. And Huntress.
So cool.
Huntress as well. I like Huntress. Oh, and Loader. But I don't think you've seen that one yet.
Loader is the melee guy?
One of the melee ones. There's 2.
Which was the...
It's like the
I know Acrid.
No, it's the one next to Acrid. The one next to Acrid. That
Guidance Office. Defeat the unique Guardian of Siren's Call. What's Siren's Call?
It's one of the stages.
Oh.
We haven't got it yet, otherwise we would have done it.
Okay. I think Ben is still doing work, so...
Oh, okay. And,
should I have the 2 different...
Yeah. Those beacons are kind of bad. Oh, so we get 10 coins for winning. So, we'll just find the thingy and get the character. Found it. Well, we got out of
I have 18.
Yeah. Yeah, you got 10 for winning.
Awesome.
We're Artifish Gaming now. It's gonna be weird without
Wait,
the
stay
cowboy
still,
hat.
stay still.
You can drop a bomb on me. You get 3.
That's pretty
You get
funny.
3 of that one in a charge. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
It's like a shotgun that you charge
Yeah.
up.
And then if you kill Mithrix with your one of your beacons, like that you drop on him, the one you get 1 per stage of, you get the other one.
What do I do?
So you get the final hit on phase 4 Mithrix with your like healing beacon or shocking beacon.
Oh, and you
That's
get the
for
other
you.
one.
Yeah, and then you get the other one, and the other one's pretty funny. The other one's the one that everyone one shows with.
Yo.
You can just take both those items. I don't want them. It literally does nothing for me. Ban has guaranteed crits on the back.
Ooh. Is it crit time?
Again? No, your bleed character.
I'm a bleed. Oh, I don't
Yeah, because you got
bleed.
8 shots in your shotgun. And so if it hits bleed, it hits 8 bleed per hit. Pretty good.
That is pretty good. And that's the taser. It's like a stun.
Yeah, it's kind of bad, but a lot of people hate it. It's fine.
How does this work? So
What?
this is for healing.
Yep. That's your one. You might want to save the shotgun one for 1 minute of TP.
Yeah,
You can just kind of chuck it down and crack
the
everything.
healing one
The other one.
or the electric
Yeah.
on the TP.
Yeah, on the TP. There's
Okay.
briefly in that Modi shop.
Stun grenade. Oh, I see bleed.
Yeah.
Gimme some bleed.
There it again. No enemy spawn for me.
Is like the probe even fighting? Oh, it
What
is
do you mean?
shooting.
What? It deletes projectiles, man.
Oh, it deletes projectiles?
Yeah, so it doesn't actually fight, but it's really good.
Oh, that's insane.
Yeah, and a lot of things count as a projectile. Like the pizza in that one attack counts as a projectile, so you can just delete that.
That's insane. I just got disposable missile launcher.
That's very nice.
A moon challenge. Pray to the shrine of the mountain. Isn't it like it just makes it teleporter harder? Lordy does. Oh, I found the teleporter. It's right there. Can I like actually ping it though? There. If there's any more items I could grab. Oh, couple of turrets. What item is that?
There's some stuff in the cave,
What kind of
but I don't
stuff?
have any money. There's no enemies. Oh yeah, and your drones get the microbot thing.
Oh, awesome.
So yeah, if you get enough drones, you're basically invincible to projectiles, because they swarm around you, and then you just don't get hit.
Energy drink 3D printer here.
Wait, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Yep, I'm going all in.
I bought one. I got rid of
Yeah.
the item I didn't need that. So that was
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't recommend going all. It's just, I would prefer speed over than any of these items. Maybe the watch I like to keep. There's so much stuff in this one.
I have a lot of minions.
Yeah. There's more around. You can buy
Yeah.
more chests.
If you want a queue.
Oh,
ability.
I'll probably get. Do I hit 50-50? Yeah, I do. Okay, I kept the watch.
Awesome. Christ, come on. Open sesame.
We got lights out,
Another
so-
bleed.
Where? Shrine. I'll take that. Yeah, there's still stuff in the cave I can get. Like that. I say we hit the
Maybe.
mountain shrine with
Okay.
how good this is.
I don't have any movement stuff, right? I just,
What do you mean?
I don't have like any ability based on movement.
No, you got no movement ability, unfortunately. That's one of the. That's like the only drawback.
I guess he compensates by being like batshit insane.
Yep.
And
And
that's better.
yeah, you delete projectiles, so you don't really need it for fighting, but you do need it for like looting stuff.
Steak.
What?
Then you have max health.
So you could try. There's no scrapper, is there? Wait, there's more stuff up there. There's so much stuff.
You know
that's
what
a
would
large
make this
stuff.
character's shotgun feel better? This
What?
attack speed increase the charge rate of the shotgun.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yeah, I would like some attack speed. Couple of mochas on my days. It's so fine.
Oh, there's attack speed there.
I'm coming.
Yeah, that's your attack speed.
Does that work?
What do you mean?
I can nuke you from like. all the way
Yeah,
here.
oh yeah, you can nuke like anywhere. Let me go get that equipment.
So
Oh, you can
just,
get that
like,
large chest, don't you?
Just see this enemy and just say fuck you.
Yep.
Oh my god, it deals like solid damage too.
Oh, another one.
Oh
Both got one.
sweet, we're just gonna.
Yep.
Get my shot. Attack speed. Oh how I missed you.
Yeah, we had none last round. We didn't get much movement speed either.
Yeah.
So
We got like
I'm more
out
happy.
of combat.
there's a banner here if you want it.
I'm gonna nuke a fucking enemy from outer space.
Yeah.
This shit's so fun to aim. Just
Yeah. Yeah.
death
If you go
mark.
get
Nice.
you go get that banner.
Oh
man,
banner,
we can
wait,
do-
hold up, I love banner.
I pinged it over there.
I'm making my way.
Come over there. Yeah, if you go get that, I'll farm money for the shrine, and then we do TP.
So I just when I drop the supply caches, zoom zoom.
Yeah.
Okay. Banner.
Oh, so.
Oh my!
I'll
The
take this.
supply stay like
Yeah.
stays like oh lol. Why?
I'm taking the sword instead.
Does the supply have like infinite duration?
What do you mean?
I still
Which
see
one?
the healing one right there that I placed a while ago.
Yeah. Oh yeah. They've infinite for the whole stage.
So I could just place the.
You just put the shotgun one on the TP.
Awesome.
Yeah, we might want to think about leaving though. Now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit it. That's a lot of health.
Whoa! I got fucking yeeted.
Oh yeah, you might not want to stand on there.
I
That's
clutched it.
human. I killed one. There's 3 of them. Okay.
Yeah, 3 of them spawn. New one.
Only
Not
six.
done.
Ah, my watch broke.
Whoa! Like a bunch of golems just like
Yeah, killed another one.
appeared out of nowhere.
Yeah.
I'm gonna back off for a second.
Nice. Oh, the speed as well. Oh yeah, the other two.
Yeah, I'm getting like chased by like a couple of golems. Orbital strike them.
I got all the flying enemies.
Right, they're all dead.
Okay, there's more.
Okay, you can finally get down. Good job,
Yeah, I got the Beetle guy as well. So we got him.
Then you grab a secondary whip.
What do you mean? Robots? Fine. You can just keep it. That's yours for sure. We get 4 because it's a mana strength. You just get more TP items, harder boss. We could get Artifice.
Yay.
And we could try Void Field.
Okay.
Or accurate if you need.
Break down, break down.
Because I'm pretty sure we just get Artifice.
Hello. Give me. I thought I can
Nice.
attack this guy.
What? Yeah, but you won't do any damage.
Plus I can just...
You can try, yeah, you can try killing him. Let's try Void Field.
What?
Down
Did you
here.
just fall down?
Yeah, I don't take full damage. I got shift.
5 items. Wait, what happens
It's-
if you go down?
What do you mean?
You can go down?
Yeah, there's a portal down here, and takes you to a void place.
Whoa, I never knew this shit.
Yeah, it's kind of scary though. So you stay in the thing.
Open cell vent.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Discover and enter 3 unique portals.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. So we'll give random. So each vent gives an enemy, and then every other vent gives the enemy an item. So it is quite scary being here.
Well, we can't use our abilities.
Oh, you can't use your beacon though because you're tapped. Yeah, you can't use my abilities in hidden stages. Yeah, this is fine for now. But we
Do
might
I
have to
grab
leave.
the health thingy? The void item?
Grab it afterwards because if you leave the area, you take damage.
Okay.
So it's already going to be tough getting to the next cell. Okay, cool.
Oh, you can dash while holding a shotgun charge.
Yeah, you just have to read. Oh yeah, and then we get free item. Or a item. Sure.
Oh, attack speed.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have a look for the next thingy. Okay, it's over here.
Okay.
You need to come over here. Because it's gonna run out of everything. Oh. Okay. Oh wait, you gonna die?
No, I should be fine. I think I'm gonna make it in time.
I hope you. Yeah, you should be fine,
I
right?
did.
You can heal. You do healing.
I have healing.
Do That's right, we can wait for the regen.
That guy's gonna die.
You he'll just respawn.
I have like a massive stake on probably.
Yeah, you do. And Bison Save.
Let me DM this to my friend.
Or the state.